I'm going off the statute of limitations.
So statute of limitations would not apply here.
When a defendant claimed the statute of limitations and a credit report cleared him, the judge checked the dates and closed the door on that defense.
When was the account opened?
Yeah, so we have that it's a loan through PNC Bank that was opened on or about November 29th of 2019.
When was last activity or payment?
We have last payment being made on or about August the 9th of 2021.
Have any payments been made since LVNV acquired the debt?
No, Your Honor, we do not show any records of payments.
All right. Mr. Beasley, is it correct? Is there a loan still outstanding with a balance of $14,481?
They never verified that loan account, asked for verification of the loan. They never sent me any paperwork. They never told me anything.
Mr. Beasley,
Yes.
Mr. Beasley, did you take out a loan from PNC in November of 2019?
No, I took out a loan for PNC back in, it was, let's see here.
I'll show you the loan documents because they presented it to me. So on its face, it fits the four
Yes,
corners test.
actually 11/29/2019.
Fantastic. Then this is the loan they're suing you about. Do you have proof that you have paid that loan in full?
No, I don't.
They provided me a valid account statement showing the balance they're seeking of $14,481. Do you have any evidence today that would reduce that number?
Yes, I sent my actual evidence in. I sent a copy of my credit report. I'm going off the statute of limitations is past the 4-year.
Mr. Beasley, it's not past the statute of limitations.
I'm sorry?
It's not. The last payment was made in 21 and they filed their case in 24. They still have a whole year left. So statute of limitations would not apply here. What should the balance be, Mr. Beasley?
This is my defense, is the statute of limitation. I'm looking at a copy of my credit report, which I actually sent to your
Mr.
office.
Beasley,
Yes.
there's a 4-year statute of limitations.
Yes.
Per what we just saw, your last payment was August of 21. They had until August of 25 to file the lawsuit, and they filed in 2024. So statute of limitations is not a defense that applies. The case is valid and goes forward. So the question then turns to, is the balance outstanding valid? They provided proof. They don't.
No, it's not.
So
Okay.
what evidence did you send me to show that you made payments that makes that number smaller?
I didn't send any actual evidence. That's for my defense, which was the statute of limitations, which I'm showing on the credit report shows that my date of my last activity from the Equifax report shows 8/20/2020. That was the last payment that was made on this account. I don't know where they're getting the documents for stating that my last payment was whatever they have on there.
Mr. Beasley, per your documents, what's the balance?
Actually, on my balance on my credit report, it shows a balance of 0.
That's because it was charged off. Mr. Beasley, you're not denying that you took out a loan from PNC. That's been established. The question is now, did you pay it off in full? So yes or no?
No, I didn't pay it off in full.
Okay, then Mr. Beasley, what do you say you still owe on that loan?
I say what I owe going by what it states on the credit report.
Okay, well, that's not an actual statement, Mr. Beasley. So today would be a judgment for the plaintiff, $14,481.36. Can I answer any of the questions for you, Mr. Beasley?
No, I have no other questions.
All right, thank you so much, sir.